Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In this video today, I am going to discuss the strategy that a beginner should follow for their IBPS PO prelims examination. So this video will completely concentrate on IBPS PO prelims as it is very near. Only 1 month is left. So I'll talk about only prelims examination. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what are the topics that you need to cover in each subject and how you should cover each subject and the sources that you should refer, and also I'll talk about mock test. Okay, so please stay tuned, and in the description box down below you will find the link to my Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel to get notified for all the free sessions that I take on Unacademy. So guys, let's get started. Okay, so at first we will talk about quant section. So if you are a beginner, then you have to at first memorize squares up to 30, which is 2 square 4, 3 square 9. We all remember squares up to 10, but after 10 it is a problem for us. So if I ask you what is 16 square, it should be in your fingertips. 16 square is 256. Okay, so in this way you should remember squares up to 30. And then cubes up to 15 should be at your fingertips. If I ask you what is a cube of 11 cube, instantly you will say 1331. So squares up to cubes up to 15 is important. Then you must know the square root trick and cube root trick. So how to find out the square root of any number, how to find out the cube root of any number in a few seconds. This is very important, and you can search this on YouTube. Just type on YouTube how to find out the square root of any number easily. You will get many videos. Okay, so this is not a difficult task. Okay, then you should also know the trick to find the square of any number. Like if I ask you what is the square of 55, so you must know if a number ends in 5, then the square root is 5 into 6. 5 into 6, 30, 5 into 5, 25, 3025. What is the square root of 75? So what will you say? 7 into 8, 56, 5 into 5, 25, 5625. What is the square root of 92? 92. It is close to 100. It is close to 100. So there is, so there are two tricks of finding out the square root. One, numbers which are close to 50. Second is numbers which are close to 100. Okay. So you must know all these things, how to find out the square of a number easily. You should remember the squares up to 30, but after that you have to know how to find out the square of any number. Okay, so this also you will find on YouTube. You will find many videos. Then percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. You must remember this. So if I ask you what is the percentage value of say 1 by 3, it is 33 1 by 3, 33.33%. So these things you should remember. And then again fraction to percentage, percentage to fraction. So if I ask you what is the percentage, 25% is equal to how much? 1 by 4. Then your 37.5% is equal to how much? Then your 14.28% is equal to how much? So all these things should be at your fingertips. After doing all these things, you can go to simplification and approximation. Okay, and all these things should not take you more than 1 day. Squares up to 30, cubes up to 15, square root trick, cube root trick, percentage to fraction and fraction to percentage. All these things should not take you more than 1 day, but yes, revision is important. If you revise every day, you'll be able to remember. Next, simplification and approximation, daily 10 questions for 15 days. Wrong number series, daily 10 questions for 15 days. From where will you do? I'll come to sources, don't worry. Missing number series, again daily 10 questions for 15 days. Quadratic equations, daily 10 questions for 15 days. So in your prelims examination, you will find questions from simplification and approximation, from number series and from quadratic equation. And in the number series category, you will either find questions from wrong number series or from missing number series. Okay. Then simple data interpretations. At this point, do not go for complicated data interpretation questions, because in your prelims you will find simple data interpretation questions. Okay, only 1 month is left for the prelims, so we should concentrate on prelims now. So simple data interpretation questions, 2 DI daily for 15 days. Now comes the arithmetic part, the miscellaneous part. So in your miscellaneous part there are many chapters, but here I'll talk about the most important ones. The most important ones for your prelims examination is percentage, ratio and proportion, profit and loss, time, speed and distance and boats and stream, time and work, pipes and cistern, and SI and CI. Okay. So here I have mentioned how many days are required for each chapter, for each topic. For percentage, 3 days, ratio and proportion 3 days, profit and loss 3 days, time, speed and distance and boats and streams for 4 days, time and work and pipes and cisterns 4 days, SI and CI is a small topic, 2 days are enough. Okay. Now, reasoning. In reasoning, puzzle and sitting arrangement will play an important role. Okay, so don't think about skipping this part. If you skip this part, you will not be able to clear the examination. Okay, so daily 10 puzzle and sitting arrangement questions, easy ones. Do not go for very complicated ones, only the easy ones. Okay, and here I have mentioned the types of puzzles and sitting arrangements that are important for your examination. Blood relation, old pattern coding and decoding, direction sense, all these topics will take maximum of 1 day to understand. Here 1 day I have written only to understand, not for practice. Practice you have to do every day, but for understanding the topic, how to solve the questions, this is going to take you 1 day. Okay, for each. Now comes the English part. Solve all the error detection questions from the book A Mirror to Common Error. So at first you must clear the basic concepts of each topic, of each grammar topic of English. Grammar is important for your close test, for fillers, for phrase replacement, and for error detection questions. So grammar is important for so many things, so do not think about skipping grammar. Okay, so after completion of each chapter, solve all the questions from that chapter from the book A Mirror to Common Error. It is a good book with many questions, so you can refer this book for solving questions. Solve 2 reading comprehensions daily. From where will you solve? Take the Adda free app. Okay, there you will find free quizzes. From there you can solve. Download the Adda app, you will find free quizzes. From there you can solve. Okay. Attend Unacademy special classes. Special sessions are free of cost. Okay, and in the description box down below I will give you the link to my profile of Unacademy. You will find many free sessions on error detection, phrase replacement, reading comprehension. Okay, so the previous sessions, you will find recording of the previous sessions, so watch those sessions and solve questions, practice questions, and also watch the sessions live, watch the upcoming sessions live. So you will get the links of the upcoming sessions in the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is given in the description box. Okay, you should read 1 editorial daily for boosting your vocabulary and also your comprehension power. Okay, next, in the meantime, don't think that this 1 month should be spent entirely for your prelims examination. You have to prepare your current affairs daily. Okay, current affairs is a section that is going to push you forward. Okay, so do not skip this. Prepare current affairs daily and revise the current affairs weekly. Next we are going to talk about the sources. For quants, follow YouTube videos. So if you are solving 2 DI questions, 10 quadratic equations, 10 simplification and approximation, and 10 missing number series, then what do you have to do? Just go to YouTube and type quadratic equations for IBPS PO prelims. Okay, missing number series, wrong number series, or simply number series for IBPS PO, simplification for IBPS PO. You will get many videos, solve questions from those videos. You do not need any book. Also, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription for your arithmetic part, for the miscellaneous part, because if you are short on time, and if you have just started your preparation, then this arithmetic portion might be intimidating for you. So you might require the help of a teacher to learn this portion in a structured way. Okay, for that you can take Unacademy Plus subscription. Okay, if you take Unacademy Plus subscription, all the subjects will be covered. So don't think that if you take a subscription, that only quants will be covered, or only reasoning will be covered, or only English will be covered. No, it is not like that. All the subjects will be covered. Okay, reasoning. For reasoning, please refer YouTube videos. Okay, reasoning means your blood relation, your coding and decoding, direction and distance. For all these topics, refer YouTube videos. Just type the topic. You will find many videos from these topics. Okay, for puzzle and sitting arrangement, I will only ask you to refer to Ankush Sir's Ankush Lamba Unacademy special class. These are free classes. Okay, download the Unacademy app. Go to Ankush Lamba Sir's profile, and there you will find special classes. Okay, these special classes are free classes. Okay, sir has 1,000 series of puzzle, and it is really good. Solve those puzzles and you will be done. Okay, this puzzle portion will be done. You will not have to worry. For English, I'll ask you to refer to YouTube videos. Okay, if you want to practice closed test today, then just write down closed test in YouTube. Closed test for IBPS pure prelims, fillers for IBPS pure prelims, error detection for IBPS pure prelims. You'll find many videos. Okay, practice from those videos. Download the Unacademy app. Watch all my free sessions that I have taken so far, the recordings of the free sessions, special free class. Again, you have to follow the same way that you had followed for Ankush sir. What you have to do is download the Unacademy app. Type my name Anvesha Chattopadhyay, and then from there go to special classes. Special class, these are free classes. Watch the recordings and practice the questions. Okay, very easy. And for the upcoming sessions, join the upcoming free sessions live. For that, join the Telegram channel. There you will get the links. Okay, I'll give you the link of the Telegram channel in the description box. Also, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription if you find grammar portion very intimidating, and if you think you need the help of a teacher for understanding the grammar portion, then go for Unacademy Plus subscription, as it is affordable, and only in one subscription all the chapters, all the subjects will be covered. Okay, fine. From 15th September, you should appear mock tests, 2 mock tests in a day with analysis. 2 mock tests in a day. Remember why? Because you know, people who are not beginners, they have already started appearing in mock tests, but you haven't. Okay, so you have to compensate that. So mock tests, mock tests do 2 things to you. One, it increases your speed. It prepares you to perform in an exam based environment, in a time based environment. Okay, and the third is it helps you analyze yourself, where you are, in which part you are lagging, in which subject you are lagging, what is your accuracy, and how to improve it. All these things you will be able to understand only when you appear in online mock tests. Okay, which mock tests to appear in? So my preference is Olive Board, Practice Mock, and Test Zone. You can purchase any 2 of the 3 series. Okay, if you purchase, then please purchase the yearly package. Do not go for only one examination or anything of that sort, because in that case you will be ending up paying more. Okay, for each examination you have to buy 1 mock test, and you will pay way more. Okay, so it is always better to take yearly pack. Fine. So that all your exams are covered. Okay, so guys, that's all you need to do. So if you are interested in subscribing to Unacademy Plus for a mentorship, for a guided coaching, for a structured way of preparation, then please use the coupon code Annie to avail a discount of 10%. I hope this video helped you a little bit, and please remember, this video is for your prelims examination. If you have any other doubt, you can ask that doubt to me in the comment section. I'll reply to your doubts. Also, you will find the link to my Telegram channel in the description box. Please join the Telegram channel to attend all the free sessions that I take on Unacademy. Okay, guys.